To write our game code we need first to download a code editor. To do that we open Chrome and then we download Visual Studio Code. Now follow the steps in the video. Google Visual Studio Code and install it following the steps in the video. Run the software. In the Get Starting page open a folder of your choice. Right-click. And create a new folder with the name My Game. Inside Visual Studio Code select the folder we just create. Create a HTML file with the name canvas.html. Then create another new file, a JavaScript file, with the name code.js. To be easy to see our game while creating it, we must download an extension. In the search box, write Live Preview. And hit Install button. And now we are set.